breaking the wall of bone defects treatment. Hussein Mishbak, Falling Walls Lab, Iraq.
In the aftermath of a brutal ISIS conflict in Iraq and Syria, thousands of people were left with devastating and blasting injuries that has changed their life forever. Today, I'm going to talk about the solution that has emerged out of this disaster in Iraq and Syria. As you can see in this slide, thousands, 10,000s of people were left, as I said, were left with devastating injuries that has changed their lives. Some of them mothers and fathers, and some of them are children. Once were vibrant and full of life, but now they cannot walk, play, or simply being children. Today, I stand before you not as a scientist, but as a witness of this suffering, the suffering that has emerged as a solution to develop a 3D printed scaffold for large bone defect. This scaffold this project has 3 different phases. Phase number 1, we have tested and selected different materials with different structures, different design to develop a unique structure that matching and capturing the most viable properties of bone tissue. And then after that, we moved to the second stage of the project, which is where we tested the biocompatibility and biodegradability of the project. We have conducted several investigations and several studies on that, and we have came with outstanding results being published in the UK and Singapore. And now we are moving to the third stage of our project to validate our lab work, which is in vivo studies as an animal model. Of course, alongside with that, we have established our company, which is Biomed Iraq, for this purpose. Together, let us give hope to those who have lost so much. This project has a potential to heal not only bodies, but also lives. Thank you very much.